how to sign up for Google Voice account. First of all, open the Google Voice app on your device or go to voice.google.com and sign in using your Google account. If you are already signed in on your device, it will automatically display your account. Choose the account you want to link with Google Voice. Next, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner, then tap on the Get a Number button. In the search bar, enter your city or area code to see available numbers. Pick a number that works for you and tap Select to continue. After choosing your number, Google Voice will prompt you to verify your existing phone number. This step is important to forward calls and text. Enter your mobile number and verify it by inputting the code sent via text. Once your number is verified, tap Finish and your Google Voice account setup is complete. You can now start using your new number to call, text, and manage voicemails directly from the app. Now you know how to sign up for a Google Voice account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.